Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to talk to you about the top four websites that you can use for your reference photographs for your paintings. Okay, let's get started. So this is Pixabay. A lot of millions of like stunning images that you can use, download. Very good for your references and. These images are free. You're not going to be like, there's no copyright on them. So you can take a good look at this website. This is the first one that I'm going to talk about. Pixabay. Okay, as you can see, everybody, stunning images that can be used for landscapes, um, you know, oceanography, portraits, just about anything you want. Available on this site. Check it out, Pixabay. And I'm also showing you on the site, how I use some of these drawings to create thumbnails and ideas for paintings. Okay, so here are some stunning photographs that can really be transformed into very good paintings, okay? So this is the first website that I'm going to talk to you about. Check it out. It's called Pixabay. PicWizard is the next one. Okay, PicWizard. Check this site out. This is the second one I'm going to talk about. So all these sites are very similar, everyone, but they have different kinds of pictures, different images. Some, it's a mixture of all kinds of images that you can see, okay? And fantastic images of animals that you can use for in your drawings, and you can compose, put them together. Take one picture from here, take an animal's portrait here, a landscape from there, add them together, create your own different types of things. And you can create your little thumbnails that I'm showing you right out here, that I'm using some of these references from, okay? So this is your second one, PicWizard is your second one that you should be checking out. Alright, here's a beautiful image of a cute kitten. Anything that you can use. Unsplash is the next one. So we have three: Pixabay, PicWizard. Here's the third one called Unsplash. Millions of images, free for you to look at, use as reference into your paintings. And it's a creative process. It's the way you take images from here and then compose your own ideas with that, okay? So flowers, landscapes, figures, in the foreground, figures in the background, flowers, animals, urban landscape, urban buildings. Just about anything you want is for you to be able to, so check it out. And the next one is Pixels is the next one. Pixels. Check out Pixels. So the fourth one here is Pixels, Unsplash, Pixels, Pixabay, PicWizard. Alright, here you have all these urban pictures, I'm just touching the surface, and when you guys explore on your own, you're going to be able to find tons of reference information. It's like a dynamite, treasure. It's a treasure of references that you can see, okay?